As an economist, I do a lot of things. I carry out economic research. I advise the minister and senior officials within the civil service. I present my findings at conferences. It's a varied role. I carried out a research analysis for Cork City Council, and I fell in love with just how I was able to carry out research, and then, you know, from the findings of my research, I was able to influence the decisions that, you know, Cork City Council made. I feel absolutely proud of my role in the public sector. I feel proud of the projects that I've taken part in. I feel proud of representing Irish citizens in the civil service. So yes, I do feel very proud of my role. I actually heard about the first civil service job that I got from my professor. So when I was studying my postgraduate degree, I heard it from him. I applied for my first job through publicjobs.ie. The application process I found it very handy. It was very easy to fill out, and yeah, I had no difficulties whatsoever with it. I've been fortunate enough to be paired with great managers. I've had 3 managers since I've been working in the civil service since 2018, and my colleagues are very helpful. Everyone is very hands-on. Like, if you're stuck on anything, they're just there to help you out, and yeah, my colleagues have been amazing. What really stood out for me about the publics and the civil service, not just that you're making an impact on society, but also that the values that they have, such as that work-life balance that I feel like a lot of private firms may not offer. Not all the jobs are based in Dublin. I know for those that work in the Department of Education, we have a base down in Dublin and in Athlone. There is good opportunities for career development in the civil service. I'm an example of that. So I started out in the Department of Public Expenditure and Reform, and now I'm currently working in the Department of Education. And like many other people within the civil service, many people will move to various departments and take up various roles. There's this myth about that the civil service is just filled with old people. That's not entirely true. We do have, you know, a young workforce. The myth that black people don't work in the civil service, or that people of color don't work in the civil service, and therefore it's not a place for you. I think that's a myth that can be dispelled.